Hey guys, I am at the grocery store right now. About to pick up some grocery. I think I want to make like a vegetable stir fry tonight. We still can't buy alcohol. Still can't buy it. But anyway, there's like one question that people have been asking me a lot on videos or whatever, and sending me direct messages asking me like, what am I doing for work out here in Mexico? I'm not making money in Mexico. I'm making money in the United States and spending it in Mexico. When it comes to you trying to figure out how to make money, you got to dig deep. Like, what can I do? Basically, what I do is I get money from YouTube, and I have some money saved up. So that is how I'm going to survive out here. Now, you're going to have to be creative. You're going to have to use your talents and your skills in order to make money out here. And in order to make money to live out here. You can't work out here if you're not a resident. You can get like a work visa, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not trying to work for nobody doing nothing. I'm gonna make my own money and do it that way. So that's been like the burning question on everybody's mind. Like, how are you making money? Like, what kind of work are you doing? And I've seen people talk about, like they teach, different language courses. Like they teach English, they teach Spanish. One girl in one of my Facebook groups says that she does voiceover work. So she speaks in English on video so that people that don't speak Spanish can understand what the video is about. If you can't figure out how to create some kind of income for yourself, then you need to stay in the U.S. because it requires a good amount of creativity. And like I said, you can teach classes. You can teach English classes. You can go on Skillshare and teach a class on Skillshare, and you can make money that way. You can teach a language class. You can sell art online, digital art online. You can teach courses. You can get on YouTube and make money from YouTube. You can start blogging, start getting sponsorships from people to make money. But if you're looking for a cut and dry answer, like, okay, what do I need to do? You need to figure it out. I would suggest that you actually have like a nest egg of money saved up and have at least one stream of income coming in from something online. That's the best advice I can give you. I can't tell you what to do because people can give you advice all day, but if you don't want to do it, you're not going to do it. So you are going to have to actually put yourself out there and do different type of things, different type of work than what you've probably done in the past. So if you're trying to do something, you'll figure it out sooner or later. So let me get back to my shopping. It's a pretty nice day today. I'm not burning up as per usual. And I feel like when you create your own position and find a way to make money that works for you, like, it's just so much more fulfilling to me. And I mean, we got the internet, we got these phones, we got Instagram, we got all the social media you need. You can actually make it happen. You just really have to work and do it. That's the only advice I can give you. Sorry if you were expecting something else, but that's all I got. And I see you guys on my next upload.